In this video, you will learn how to solve different math problems to prepare for the SAT exam. Right, let's solve this problem here. The equation of line K is y equals 7x plus 2. What is the slope of a line that is parallel to line K in the xy plane? So when two lines are parallel, that means their slopes are also equal. So that means the slope of that line is also equal to 7. Right, let's solve another problem. If the given expression here is rewritten in the form ax to the fifth plus bx to the fourth plus cx cubed plus dx squared plus ex, where a, b, c, d, and e are constants, what is the value of d? So we're given here this expression. All we have to do here is to multiply this trinomial here. Trinomial meaning it has 3 terms, and then binomial by the binomial. So let's do that. So x cubed minus 6x plus 5 times 3x squared plus x. Right, we distribute x cubed first to 3x squared plus x. So this is x cubed times 3x squared plus x cubed times x, and then negative 6x. So negative 6x times 3x squared, and then negative 6x times x. And then the next one is 5. Right. So plus 5 times 3x squared plus 5 times x. Now we can simplify them. X cubed times 3x squared is 3x to the fifth. X cubed plus x is x to the fourth. Minus 6 times 3 is 18 x cubed. Minus 6x squared plus 5 times 3x squared is 15 x squared plus 5x. And now we can simplify this further by grouping like terms. So the only like terms here are negative 6x squared and 15x squared. So we can write our equation as 3x to the fifth plus x to the fourth minus 18x cubed. Negative 6x squared plus 15x squared is 9. Okay, so this is 9x squared plus 5x. So this is now our equation. We just expanded this by multiplying the trinomial and binomial. So now our equation is in the form of this one. Okay, so we are asked for the value of d. So d here is the coefficient of x squared. Therefore, our d here is just equal to 9. Right, let's solve another problem. The figure shows the mast of a boat that is installed perpendicular to the deck of the boat. The mast is secured by a rope that is anchored to the deck. The rope measures 17 feet long and makes an angle of x degrees with the mast. The point where the rope is attached to the mast is 15 feet above the deck. What is the value of tangent x degrees? So we're given this angle here, x degrees, and we need to solve for that. Well, that is our unknown. So we are asked for tangent. So tangent is just sine over cosine. So sine of x degrees over cosine of x degrees. And we know that sine is just the opposite side over the hypotenuse. And then cosine is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So we're only given here the hypotenuse and the adjacent side of angle x degrees. So we need to solve for this side here. We can use Pythagorean theorem for that. So our C here is our hypotenuse, which is 17 feet. And then we have 15 feet. And we look for the other side, the value of the other side. So this is just b squared equals 17 squared minus 15 squared. We have 289 minus 225. So it gives us 64, and then we get the square root of both sides. So the other side is just equal to 8. So the value of this is 8. So now we can solve for tangent x degrees. So we know that tangent is sine over cosine, and sine is just opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Therefore, tangent is just the opposite side over the adjacent side. So the opposite side of angle x degrees is 8 over the adjacent is 15. So the answer here is 8 over 15. Or you can reduce this to 0.533. Right, let's solve another one. The function f is defined by f of x equals 17x plus 13. What is the value of f of 8? So we're given here this function, and we need to solve for the value of y when x is equal to 8. Therefore, f of 8 is just equal to, we substitute 8 to x. So this is 17 times x plus 13. I meant 17 times 8. So this is 136 plus 13. Therefore, f of 8 is just equal to 149. So this is the value of f of 8. So the answer here is letter D. Right, let's solve another one. If 10 times x plus 9 equals 9 times x plus 9 plus 25, what is the value of x plus 9? Okay, the first thing we do here to solve this quicker is to group those terms with x plus 9. So we have here 10x plus 9, 9 times x plus 9 plus 25. We subtract both sides by 9 times x plus 9 minus 9x plus 9. This cancels out. Then we have 10x plus 9 minus 9 times x plus 9 equals 25. And we can factor out x plus 9 here. So x plus 9 is just x plus 9 times 10 minus 9 equals 25. And then x plus 9 is times 1 equals 25. Therefore, x plus 9 here is just equal to 25. So the answer here is letter C.